Plant versus Zombie. The next two lines are similar. I'm starting from the last line of the first page. Let's first talk about the fingering of right hand. You could do 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3. Another alternative is this: 5, 3, 1, 3, 3 on B flat, 5, 3 on F sharp, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1. The reason with the second fingering is that you are connecting each note with your finger so that you have a smooth legato connected sound, versus the first fingering, you are moving your thumb. Both works, whatever that's more comfortable for you. You can choose that. And then 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1, or 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, and move your finger 4 to C sharp and C natural here. 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2 on B flat, 1 on F sharp, 2 goes to G. Then next, the connecting part, I like this fingering. 1, 2, 1, reach over to A, 2, one more time, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, that put your finger 5 on the top note, G, and get ready to go down. So one more time. And the rest is similar. Let's now look at the left hand. The left hand is quite complicated. It moves position a lot. I recommend simplify it. To get this under your finger fast is simply play the most important bass note. So it will sound like this. The reason I go with this is because the right hand, the rhythm is quite complicated, and it's important to line it up correctly with the left hand. I'll do it slowly. So this E flat comes between the note. Again, starting on the second major. The C sharp and D, it comes after the G. 1 and 2 and. Second page, top line. And now. That way, you can focus on the right hand while left hand doesn't have to jump around too much. Again, first page, last line, I am playing G on the first measure, C, D, G, move on to second page, G, D, C, same thing again. And if this is comfortable, then we can consider changing it to make it sound more like what's written. However, I really think this sounds just fine. This will be the next step I will do. So this, I'm marking the button note instead of doing bolts and moving around. I will play G, B flat, G, D, C, finger 2, E flat, B, E flat, D, finger 2, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G, E flat, G. It will sound like this. One more time. Apology. But again, this is quite complicated. You need to keep track of what each hand is doing. Comparing to the beginning's more manageable because both hands are doing similar things and lots of time hands are not together. So this piece gets more complicated starting from this section. And I would highly recommend starting with the more manageable bass line and focus on the right hand and getting the correct rhythm. To me, correct rhythm is more important because it makes the music just sound more musical. And let's talk about the fingering on the top of the page. Not sure what fingering you use on the right hand. Is it 3 4 3 4 2 1 1 1 or 4 5 4 5? Either way works. If you use 4 5 4 5, probably not as easy as 3 4, but it strengthens your pinky and finger 4 independence. One note I want to talk about is the end of second line. Here, Brian did a great job. Climb up. The thing is, if you use 4 5, then you need to move again. So my personal preferred fingering would be this: 5 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. That way my finger 4 will be ready to go instead of moving again from 4 to 4. But it really depends on what fingering do you use. If you prefer 3, you have to move no matter what. So just a quick tip on the fingering over there, and we will cover more next time. Thank you.